How to find IPOs very easily in TC2000. If you want to create a watch list of IPOs which have happened in last 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, there is a very easy hack which you can use to find IPOs in TC2000. In order to do that, let's go to TC2000. When you go to TC2000, now here is US common stocks. So we are going to look at IPOs which have happened in US common stocks in say last 1 year. So in order to find IPOs which have happened, you just need to add a value column and look for say 1 year somewhere where there is a price growth rate 1 year. So when you have price growth rate 1 year and you sort by price growth rate 1 year, these are stocks which have value associated with it. Any stock which doesn't have value associated with it, which you'll see near the end, right? So stocks which have no value for price growth rate, these are stocks which have IPO'd in the last 1 year, right? So all that you need to do then is to flag all symbols below this item and copy flagged into an IPO watch list. If you see, all of these stocks had like basically IPO'd in the last 1 year. Okay, they didn't trade for like this thing. That's why. So copy flagged into a new personal watch list called IPO. Right. Similarly, if you want to find stocks which have made an IPO in the last 3 years, just add a column here and look for year and price growth rate 3 years. And once you sort by price growth rate 3 years, whatever stock, if you see a stock which doesn't have value associated with it, so this particular stock, Hoodie, and you can confirm that by going on a monthly chart, and you'll see that Hoodie IPO'd in 2021. That's why 3 years data is not there for it, right? And so this IPO'd in 2020. So all these stocks which don't have a value associated with them, so if you take this, flag all symbols below this, you will find that these stocks are the one which IPO'd in the last 3 years. And you can create a watch list IPO 3 years. And there you have stocks. Now supposing you want to find an IPO stock which had IPO'd in the last say 3 months, all that you need to do is add a value column and write a formula yourself. 3 years is approximately 20 days in a month, so 60 days. So if you put a column which is C by say 60, right, and sort by it, and once you sort by it, what you're going to see is the same thing, that the stocks which don't have a value associated with them, and you go down, and when you see stocks which are below this, what you're going to find is these are the stocks, and you can look at them on a weekly for that matter, and these are the stocks which IPO'd in the last so all these stocks you can put it into watch list. Flag all symbols below this, copy flagged into new personal watch list, IPO 6 months. Right. So that's the easiest way in which you can find IPOs. If you want to find IPO which has happened since first trading day of the year, you just sort this particular thing by YTD, and you sort by YTD year to date. And if you sort by year to date, stocks which don't have a value associated with them, these are all stocks which IPO'd in the since the first day of trading this year. So you see, now obviously some of these stocks are not trading, but like you'll see some of them are trading, right? And these are the stocks which happened. So if you want to find IPO, there is a very simple way in which you can find IPO in IntelliChart by just adding a column which has a value associated for the period for which you are looking for IPOs. If you're looking for 5 years, add a column 5-year growth rate and look for stocks which doesn't have value associated with it. And the reason why it has no value associated with it is because the data for 5 years is not there, and then flag them, put it in a watch list, and there you have watch list of IPOs which are IPO'd in either 3 year, 5 year, 1 year, 6 months, or 3 months.